Meditation. We all know how to meditate, and we also know what it is meditation, but we should also know what are the important benefits of meditation. So today in this video we are going to talk about that only. And if you are new in our channel, so subscribe and press the bell icon to get this type of knowledgeable videos from our channel. So let's start the video. Meditation, how we meditate. First, we have to sit in an asana called Padmasana. It is also a part of yoga only. So we have to sit in Padmasana. Then we have to keep our backbone straight and breathe in and breathe out. Like this we do meditation. Now what are the benefits? We didn't do it only for time pass. We do it for some benefits only. If I say every benefit, it will be a very long video. But I am in this video I am going to tell you all 7 important, not all, 7 important benefits that it gives you. It is mandatory that it gives you. Number 1, it gaining a new perspective on stressful situation. Whenever after work, coming from work to home, or working late at night or studying, it helps you to stay active the full day. Means normally you get up, ready for your office or school and go for it, and at the end of the day you are very tired, but it will not make, if you do this meditation every day in an average time, so you will have a very good day. Number 2 is building skill to manage your stress. If you are very stressed, if you are feeling very stressed, so what can you do? You can this meditation builds a special skill so that you can face any situation of stress. You can also, every time you can be active with doing this meditation. Number 3, increasing self-awareness. Whenever you are coming from home, coming to home and you are very tired, so you didn't notice what is going on, but suddenly, suppose it will not happen, I am giving only an example, but suddenly any type of fruit fall down from a tree and it comes and fall to your head, so at that time you will get hurted. So it helps you to be aware. It is just a small example. It helps in other things also, like this. It will help you in this type of situation. Number 4 is focusing on the present. Suppose you are giving a presentation or a speech or something like that. It will help you to be confident. It will help you to be confident every time. So you should always meditate so that you have a confidence in yourself in doing every work. I have told number 4. 5 is reducing negative emotion. You can think, I can't do it, I can't manage my work, I can't complete my studies. So it will remove the negative emotion, the negative thinkings from your mind, and it will give you a very fresh minded feel. Number 5 is, sorry, I have told number 5. Number 6 is increasing imagination and creativity. If you meditate, you can also become a cartoon writer or a comic writer, and you can be very famous because it opens your mind powers. It unleashes your creativity, because there are one power in human's brain, but we can't uncover it. And it is a very huge thing, so I have to make another video for it. In this video, the last fact is increasing patience and tolerance. Means if you are doing a work, means going on and going on, means you have to count thousands of paper. Suppose it is just a small example, so you will get disturbed and you will leave that work. But the meditation as I say, it helps you to gain the concentration. So these were the 7 top important facts of benefits of meditation. Hope you like the video, and if you want to see my other videos like how to become a genius like Albert Einstein, or how to make our brain sharp like Google, so link are given in the description. Check it out and become the most intelligent person by just following some few steps. So today this is the end. I will be here with my new videos. Bye.